Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the Empower Retirement Tool. Welcome to a review of the Empower Retirement Planning Tool. In this video, we'll explore the features, functionality, and ideal user profile for this comprehensive retirement planning solution. Whether you're taking your first steps toward retirement planning or seeking to enhance your existing strategy, Empower offers a valuable resource. The Empower Retirement Planning Tool simplifies retirement planning, making it accessible even for beginners. The platform is designed for anyone seeking a user-friendly and guided approach to securing their financial future. Whether you're starting from scratch or managing an existing portfolio seeking optimized growth, Empower can assist you. Empower is particularly well-suited for individuals who prefer a more hands-off approach to retirement savings. The platform offers features like automatic contributions and diversified investment options, simplifying the process. One of the key features of Empower is its personalized retirement projections. By inputting basic information such as your age, income, current savings, and retirement goals, Empower generates a tailored plan. This plan projects your required savings and investment amounts to achieve your objectives. You can monitor your progress and see how adjustments, like increased contributions or a modified retirement age, impact your future savings. Empower's tool also provides automatic portfolio management. The system selects and manages a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds on your behalf. You're freed from the responsibility of rebalancing your investments, as the platform handles this automatically, aligning with your retirement timeline and risk tolerance. Furthermore, Empower offers access to retirement advice from certified professionals, ensuring expert guidance throughout your planning journey. This added layer of support can provide valuable insights and reassurance. In summary, the Empower Retirement Tool is an excellent option for individuals seeking an automated, personalized, and easily managed retirement plan. Whether you're a novice or prefer a more hands-off approach to your savings strategy, Empower equips you with the necessary tools for a successful retirement. Be sure to explore the links in the description for additional information.